I read. The right to the Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo, Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly, Port Harcourt, requests for approval for 5 special advisors, pursuant to Section 196 of the 1999 Constitution, as amended. I hereby request the Rivers State House of Assembly to approve the appointments of 5 special. To my request by the House, please accept, Mr. Speaker, the assurance of my highest regards. Sir Siminalayi Fubara, GSS RS, Governor of Rivers State. Distinguished honorable members, do we have any petitions?
You're right, Mr. Speaker. I am Honorable Sokari, good boy Sokari. I represent the good people of Ahoda West. Mr. Speaker, under your leadership, I am the leader of the 10th Assembly. Speaker, with your kind permission, may I? Mr. Speaker, motion on matter of urgent public importance pursuant to Section 99 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. Mr. Speaker, motion to invoke the provisions of Section 99 of the 1999 Constitution as amended against 25 former members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Whereas Section 99 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended clearly states, any person who sits or votes in a House of Assembly as is states, knowing or having reasonable grounds for knowing that he is not entitled to do so, commits an offense and is liable on conviction to such punishment as shall be prescribed by a law of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Mr. Speaker. It has come to the attention of this Honorable House that 25 House of Assembly members, 25 former members of the Rivers House of Assembly haven't defected to another political party other than the political party under which they were elected, have lost their seats in accordance with the provisions of Section 1091G of the 1999 Constitution. Despite this, these individuals have unlawfully continued to sit and purportedly conduct legislative business in direct violation of Section 99 of the Constitution, which prohibits any individual without legal entitlement from sitting or voting in the legislative chamber. Mr. Speaker, my concerns, these actions not only undermine the authority, integrity, and sanctity of this Honorable House, but constitute a serious and blatant violation of the Constitution. The continued participation of these former members threatens the rule of law and erodes public trust in the legislative business, Mr. Speaker. We know the effort you are putting in trying to honor the image which the batters before the IEC from participating in elective duties, Mr. Speaker. This their action is further putting all your effort into questioning. Mr. Speaker, going further, I wish to bring in my prayers. In light of the foregoing, I move that this House, this Honorable House, firmly resolve to invoke the provision of the Constitution, Section 99 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, against the 25 former members who, despite losing their seats, have unlawfully continued to sit. That's my second prayer. Direct that all necessary actions be taken without further delay in accordance with the aforementioned constitutional provisions. It is clear. The draft constitution, that section is clear. And as of today, Mr. Speaker, it has never been amended. And that section stands, Mr. Speaker. And we are not in a banana republic where people will just be conducting themselves unlawfully. Mr. Speaker, I wish without further delay that we invoke that section of the Constitution. To hold this individual accountable and ensure that they face the full consequences of their breach of the law. Mr. Speaker, the third, which is a practice, is to say that by moving this motion, I don't know it all. There are some other items that this Honorable House will wish to. And on that note, Mr. Speaker, my next Honorable House will take any other steps or make any other orders it deems fit to safeguard the integrity of these legislative functions and bring to justice those who willfully violate the section of the Constitution. I so move, Mr. Speaker. With your kind permission, may I lay it at the table.
You believe do it so organizations. Into the vacant seats, the 25 vacant seats that we have in Rivers State House of Assembly. I would like you to recall that on the 14th day of December 2023, the Honorable Barrister Edison Ogerenye-Ehie, Distinguished Service Star of Rivers State, former Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly, wrote a letter to INEC notifying INEC of the vacancies in the State House Assembly. And I read, notice of vacancies in the Rivers State House of Assembly, pursuant to Section 1091G and 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, and requests for the conduct of fresh elections in the 25 state constituencies in the Rivers State House of Assembly. I write to formally bring to your notice the vacancies in the seats of the underlisted constituencies and membership pursuant to Section 1091G of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended. The underlisted members who represented the respective constituencies indicated against their names jointly and severally decamped from the People's Democratic Party, the PDP, under whose platform they were elected, to the All Progressive Congress, APC, on the 11th day of December 2023. As a result, in accordance with Section 1092 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, and by the resolutions of the House at the 90th legislative sitting of the Rivers State House of Assembly, held on Wednesday, 13th day of December 2023. Their seats were declared vacant. Consequently, I write on behalf of the Rivers State House of Assembly to kindly request for a by-election to be conducted to fill the vacant seats in the Rivers State House of Assembly. The vacant seats and former members are Honorable Tony Williams, Queen Owama, Ahoda East State Constituency 1. Honorable Abi Peter, Degema State Constituency. Honorable John Dominic Iderema, Abua Odwa State Constituency. Honorable Major Jack M, Akukutoru State Constituency 1. Honorable Ofix Kabang Christopher, Andoni State Constituency. Honorable Granville Tekena Wellington, Asaritoru State Constituency 1. Honorable George Enemi Alabo, Asaritoru Constituency 2. Honorable Lolo Opuende Isaiah, Akukutoru State Constituency 2. Honorable Igwe Obe Afoji, Elime State Constituency. Honorable Emeji Justina Emuaha State Constituency. Honorable Onwuka Ignatius, Echie State Constituency 1. Honorable Nwankwo Chimezie, Echie State Constituency 2. Honorable Mao Dumle Gokana State Constituency. Honorable Nyeche Prince Lemchi, Ikwere State Constituency. Honorable Barele Wako, Kana State Constituency 1. Honorable Amaewhule Martins Chike, Obiakpo State Constituency 1. Honorable Amadi Emilia Lucky, Obiakpo State Constituency 2. Honorable Nwabuchi Franklin Uchenna, Ogba Egbema Ndoni Constituency 1. Honorable Ezekwe Njeka Ijeoma, Ogba Egbema Ndoni State Constituency 2. Honorable David Arnold, Ogugbolo State Constituency. Honorable Nwankwo Silvanus Eyina, Omuma State Constituency. Honorable Ofoji Gerald, Oyibo State Constituency. Honorable Wami Solomon, Port Harcourt State Constituency 1. Honorable Opara Azeru, Port Harcourt State Constituency 3. Honorable Ngba Bernard, Thai State Constituency. Attached are copies of audios, visual, and print evidence of their defection. Please accept my warm regards. Yours sincerely, Right Honorable Barrister Edison Ogerenye Ehie, DSSROS Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly, and copied to the Resident Electoral Commissioner, Independent National Electoral Commission, Aba Road, Port Harcourt. Distinguished honorable members, this notice of vacancies was sent to INEC on the 14th day of December 2023. Distinguished members, recall that on the 8th day of May 2024, the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, the Right the Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo, also sent a notification for the vacancies in the 25 constituencies we have in Rivers State. And I wrote this letter to INEC requesting that their seats have been vacated and INEC should conduct by-elections in the 25 constituency seats that we have in the Rivers State House of Assembly. And I will read. The National Chairman, Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, plot 436, Zambezi Crescent, Maitama Crescent, Abuja. Notice of vacancies in the Rivers State House of Assembly pursuant to Section 1091G and 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, and request for conduct of fresh elections in the 25 state constituencies in the Rivers State House of Assembly. And I read, I refer you to the letter dated the 14th of December 2023 with the reference RVHA/10A/volume 1/016, in which the former Speaker of the 10th River State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Barrister Ehie Ogene-Edison, Distinguished Service Star of River State, notified you of the existing vacancies in the seats of 25 members of the River State House of Assembly who defected from the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to the All Progressive Congress, APC. Kindly find attached a copy of the letter for your ease of reference. I also refer you to the resolutions passed by the River State House of Assembly at its 90th legislative sitting on 13th December 2023, dated the 14th of December 2023, signed by the former Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Barrister Ehie Ogene-Edison, Distinguished Service Star of River State, with the reference RVHA/10A/volume 1/016. On the same subject matter, a copy of the resolution is attached herewith for your ease of reference. I wish to remind the Independent National Electoral Commission that the by-elections in those constituencies which the 25 lawmakers represent is yet to be conducted. Consequently, I call on the INEC to conduct a by-election to fill those vacant seats following the defections of the 25 lawmakers from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress. I would like to draw the attention of INEC to that vacancies also exists in Ahoda East Constituency 2 and Kana Constituency 2. These vacancies have arisen as a result of the resignation of Right Honorable Barrister Ehie Ogene-Edison, who represented Ahoda East Constituency 2. And His Excellency has continued to remain focused. His Excellency has given River State a breath of fresh air by way of his simple style of governance. He has demystified governance, and he has ensured that he had connected to even the smallest person in River State, which is what we have all been yearning for. It is on this note, having satisfied the conscience of Rivers people, You know, we all come from our various constituencies, and we are the representatives of our people, and our people are happy with His Excellency. On this note, my very distinguished honorable members and dear colleagues, we would not waste any more time in approving the requests of His Excellency for 5 special advisors. In fact, His Excellency would have approved, sent more requests, more than 5, to help in the acceleration of governance in Rivers State. However, His Excellency understands what he's doing, and from the standpoint of this assembly, we would continue to give him unwavering support. This assembly, as a mandate of the people, would make sure that His Excellency develops our people. And while we wait for the 2025 budget to be presented by the executive arm to this 10th River State House of Assembly, we pray that the various projects from our constituencies that affect the people directly would be captured in the 2025 budget. And I know that His Excellency would, like I said earlier, accelerate development at the local government levels so that Rivers State will be the envy of the entire states in Nigeria. On this note, my very distinguished honorable members, I would like to put His Excellency's request to vote from the members of this House. So, all those in favor for the 10th River State House of Assembly to approve the request of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, of 5 special advisors, say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.